What is YES? So, are you guys starting in college or school?
College.
Both?
Yeah.
What college?
IP.
DU Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh? Okay. So, English तो basic subject होगा?
हाँ.
Right. So just tell me one thing, according to you guys, what is YES?
Yes.
Yes, a society in my college as well.
Okay. So, in just the similar way, exactly, what is EYES?
ES.
Yes.
Can you be a bit loud?
ES.
Yes.
Okay. So, you're from Shahid Bhagat Singh College, right? Tell me one thing. What school have you passed out from?
Songville School.
And you?
St. Joseph's.
School में I guess you went through class second and third. Okay. आँखों को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Eyes.
What's the spelling of eyes? Can you please spell out?
EYES.
And what's that?
Eyes.
Please
Eyes.
spell it out.
EYES.
So your name?
I'm Khushbu.
So you're here for class or just?
My college is here.
Okay. So are you guys like starting something right now?
Yeah, MBBS.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. So English might be a basic subject, right?
Yeah.
Okay. According to you guys, what's YES?
Yes. Yes.
In that similar way, with that same pronunciation, what is EYES?
I've seen that on YouTube.
नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम भी शुभम है.
पंकज कैसा नाम है?
कॉलेज में हो या स्कूल में हो? क्या है?
कॉलेज खत्म हो गया।
सबका कॉलेज खत्म हो गया. अच्छा.
मेरा एक्सेल
क्या मतलब ग्रेजुएशन और उसमें बेसिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज तो पढ़ी होगी. पढ़े होंगे प्रेपोजिशंस वगैरह. आते मुझे भी नहीं है, वैसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ. तुम्हारे हिसाब से एक एक करके बताइए. YES को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
क्या?
YES को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Yes.
यस. ठीक है. पक्का?
हाँ.
इंग्लिश बेसिक लैंग्वेज थी, तुम खुद कह रहे हो ये बात. कैमरा पे देख लो शक्ल.
हाँ.
उस हिसाब से EYES को क्या कहते हैं? उसी हिसाब से जिस हिसाब से यस होता है.
EYS को.
ये भाई फैमिली शो है. तुम ऐसी उल्टी सीधी बातें बोल रहे हो. क्या कहते हैं बता दे यार एक एक
यार
कर.
पता नहीं यार.
नहीं पता. ठीक है.
नहीं प्रोनाउंस कैसे करोगे?
नहीं करेंगे मतलब कोई वर्ड नहीं है ना.
Literal ले गया
वर्ड तो नहीं है।
नहीं है. ठीक है. एस
ए भाई एस
एस क्यों नहीं बोल देते हो?
एस बोल दे भाई.
एस तो अलग ही चीज होती है। ए डबल एस हो गया एस तो ऐसा थोड़ी
पक्का?
एग्जैक्ट सेम हो गया।
एक बात बताओ.
तीसरा वाला हो गया।
नहीं सेकंड थर्ड में ना हम बॉडी पार्ट्स पढ़ते हैं. आँखों को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? नाम क्या तुम्हारा? जोर से बोल रहे यार.
मंजीत चौहान.
अच्छा. घूमने आया सीपी? घूमने आया. ओके. सो ग्रेजुएटेड या फिर इन कॉलेज? Persuading. Graduated. Okay. So English must be a basic language in school and in graduation. Both of you? Okay. So what kind of course have you pursued?
Done BCom from
BCom.
I was pursuing my BTech Electronics Communication third year.
Okay. So according to you, as English is your basic subject, what is YES in English? ES. YES.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. In a similar way, what is EYES? Name? Ashwini. Okay.
Millie.
Okay. So you guys working right now?
Yeah.
Okay. English might be your basic subject in your graduation, your schooling, right? And you also speak it right now. Okay. So according to you guys, what is YES?
YES.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why were you thinking so much? Okay, in a similar way, what is just the similar way like YES is yes? What is EYES?
Yes.
Yes.
EYES.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. According to you guys, आँखों को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Eyes.
And what's the spelling? So, प्लीज जोर से बोल दो एक बारी. स्पेलिंग भी बोल दो. LUL की नहीं. What the fuck? LOL की नहीं भाई. आइस की.
That's why EYES.
So guys, I met someone special. She's my teacher. She used to teach me. Okay. So very simple question. Let's check out whether they are intelligent or not. Okay. So your name, please.
Shilpa.
Okay.
Shilpa Bansal.
According to you, you still teach, right?
Oh yes.
So according to you, what is YES?
Y?
ES.
YES. Young. YES is happening.
YES is what in English?
Yes.
You took 2 minutes to answer that. Okay. In that similar way, what is EYES?
EY.
Yes.
ES.
Okay, guys, this is my teacher. I prepared for cat because of her, and she just said E. Yes. So, according to you, what is spelling of eyes?
ICE.
Eyes, आँखें.
EYES.
Okay. According to you, what is YES in English?
Yes. Yes. Why yes?
Yeah. According to you, what's YES?
Yes.
Please say that in camera.
Yes.
Okay. In that similar way with your pronunciation that you're using, what is EYES? Pronunciation.
Eyes.
You have to just follow what I'm doing. Right thumb is underneath the thumb. You have to bring out the finger, slap it. Right thumb. Okay. Now, I have to take a photo for you guys, right? Just make sure you slap it and you turn it like this. You just did not.